okay? Okay, so now it's the recording. So once again, I'm repeating the same line. Listen carefully. The poet is standing at the fork of two roads, okay? And he's indecisive. What to do, to take which road? Because before taking this momentous decision of his life, he has to think. Now, simultaneously, he cannot walk on two roads because it is next to impossible. You are only one traveler. So MCQ question will come from this line, that why poet is not able to walk on two roads. Then what will you write down? You will simply write down that since he is the only one traveler, he is single traveler, so it is not possible for the poet to walk on two roads simultaneously. Clear, children? Now, he looked before, what did he say? Long I stood. That before...
Ma'am, recording stopped.
I don't know. So, before taking this momentous decision, he took a momentous... Okay, leave it. You don't worry about the recording. You simply listen. What am I telling you? Okay, that is not your concern. So, then he took the another path, because he has to take a momentous decision. And then he observed one thing. What was the observation for the second path? Who will tell me? Come on, tell me, what was the observation about the second road?
Ma'am, it was untrodden.
It was grassy and wanted a way.
Yes,
That
very
is,
good.
it has
Yes,
not been
ma'am,
used.
it was grassy and wanted wear because it was not being
what
used.
does it mean? Yes, that means
it had not
way.
been used.
Very good, very good. So very little people have walked on second road. Why? Because it is difficult. Even though far-reaching consequences are better claimed than the first one, but people are not. Because I told you that we all want a stereotype, safe and secured life. So it is still grassy and wanted wear. So if the question for MCQ will come from this line, what does grassy and wanted wear refer to? You all will write down that because very little people have walked on it, or it is untrodden. Though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. Now people, but one thing again he is saying, so it is not that no one has ever walked on second road. Agar second road pe nahi chalta, to from where we would have got Mahendra Singh Dhoni, from where we would have got Shah Rukh Khan, or maybe Chetan Bhagat, or Leonardo da Vinci, or Shakespeare, because they all decided to work on second road, to do something else in their life. So it is not that second road is unused, but yeah, very little people have walked on it. So he says, and both that morning equally lay, in leaves no step had trodden black. That means, now listen carefully, the clear meaning of these two lines, that both roads are equally challenging. I want to note it down. Come on, note it down. And both that morning equally lay. Equally lay morning means what? Both roads are equally challenging. It is not easy. If you talk about the first road, it is easy to become an engineer. Is it easy to become a doctor? Good doctor, good engineer? No. So my dear children, yes. So even first road or the second road, both roads are equally challenging, right? Then the poet says, oh, I kept the first for another day. I kept first road for another day. That means poet has taken a decision. And what is the decision? What decision?
He has chosen the second path.
No.
He chose the second part and left the first part for later.
Oh, yes. Very good. So the poet has taken the second road, because this line clearly mentions when he says, oh, I kept first for another day. That means, what does it mean? That he has taken the second road. So if the question will come,
Ma'am, अभी आपका voice नहीं आ रहा था.
The poet has finally, okay,
which part
the poet has finally taken. You all will write down in MCQ, even in subjective, that poet has chosen second path. second road. Clear, children? And what he says that I have kept for another day, because maybe one day I would like to come back on the first road. But again he's saying, yet knowing how way leads on to way. That means once you start moving on any profession or taking any job, any opportunity in your life, is it possible for you to come back and start afresh? Now, if someone will tell me, Rashmi ma'am, you become an engineer, is it possible for me?
No, ma'am, not in real life.
Once I have started, yes. So it only happens in our Bollywood movies. No, all of a sudden the hero becomes the rich and Superman something. So in real life, it is not possible. That's why the poet is saying that yet knowing how way leads on to way. That means once I will start working on the second road, I will select second path of life. I will keep on moving. I doubted, and that's why the poet, look at the line. I doubted if I should ever come back. I really had a doubt that if ever I will be able to come back. I will never be able to come back, because once I will take this life decision, I will decide that what I have become to in my life, it is not possible for me to start afresh. Clear? Now come to the last paragraph, which is very important. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that made all the difference. Now see, children, if I ask you one question, do you think poet was happy with his decision? Do you think the poet was happy?
Yes, ma'am.
Happy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. No, don't write the flat answer. Listen, all children, whoever in online classes and offline classes, you will write only one answer. Neither poet was completely happy, nor poet was unhappy. Why? He was in a confused state of mind. सुनते हो क्यों? क्योंकि कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है. I shall be telling this with a sigh. What is the grief in his heart? That he has to leave his country, America. America को कोई छोड़ना नहीं चाहता है. So when you will take a decision, then you have to, because we all have 2-3 choices in our life. No, only बहुत कम होते हैं जिनका एक focus होता है. We are because take the example of even Albert Einstein. He was such a great violinist also. He loved maths also, physics also. So you cannot say that only one fixed choice you are having in your life. People are having different choices in their life. So he says that if somewhere ages and ages hence, maybe after a long time when I will meet someone and people will ask me, are you happy? I won't be able to tell them wholeheartedly that I'm happy. Why? Because there is a little sigh in my heart that I have to leave my country. But still, it made all the difference. What does this line mean? It made all difference. This means because of this decision, because of this choice, I am a very famous poet. I got my desired name and fame. Or maybe you can quote example of our Olympic gold winner, because he decided that he will rigorous practice every day, and that's why he made all the differences. So this line is clearly mentioning that he is happy also, but little sad also. So he is in a confused state of mind. So if the question comes that do you think poet is happy or unhappy, you will simply write down, I think
neither happy, neither unhappy.
Completely, nor unhappy completely. He is in a confused state of mind because he says that there is a sigh in my heart, but because of this momentous decision, it made all the difference, and he became a famous poet, and he got his desired name and fame. What was his desire? To become a famous poet, and that made all the difference because he chose which road? Second row. He has chosen, very good. He has chosen second path of life. Okay, children? Now, is there any problem, any confusion in this poem?
No, ma'am.
देखो क्या-क्या बातें याद रखनी है. autobiographical poem. Okay, autumn season is yellow goods is referring to autumn season, old people, and you know, little grief. एक थोड़ा सा sad moment. As I told you yesterday, we have 4 seasons in English: autumn, spring, summer, winter. Autumn is season of fall. Autumn is season of fall. That means a little sad season. Okay, so that's why when he is in a dilemma. So poet is in what? ये word याद रखोगे, dilemma. Dilemma means to do, what not to do. Okay, so he was in a dilemma, what to do, which road, and finally he took the decision of walking on second road, and because of this momentous decision, it made all the difference. Clear? Now read the poem once again, and if you find any problem, you can ask me. Online children also, offline children also.
Ma'am, spelling of dilemma.
Tell me, who will tell me?
Ma'am,
confusion.
Ma'am, DILEMMA.
Huh? Anyone else? Anyone else?
DILLAMA.
Who will tell me?
DILEMMA.
Who will tell me? Oh, ho, ho, ho. And?
Ma'am, DILLMA.
Okay, very good. So, DILEMMA means a confused state of mind. Okay. Anything else that you would like to ask? Because MCQ, tomorrow I will send some MCQ question on your WhatsApp group, and honestly, you all will solve. You will not look in your book. I'm connected with all the WhatsApp group now. So I will be sending questions on each and every group. Find children, and I want you to solve it. And one very important question is that, do you think poet is happy or unhappy? Give reasons for your answer. So you will simply write down, according to me, poet is not entirely happy nor entirely unhappy, because he says that he shall be telling this with a sigh. So there is a little bit problem, a little bit grief in his heart. So he says that I shall be telling this with a sigh. But when he says that it made all the differences, that means that the decision he took and he got his desired name and fame. So in this manner, he is not completely happy nor completely unhappy. Okay, children, we will meet next class with the new chapter. You want me to explain another poem, Wind? What do you want me to do? Choice.
Yes, ma'am, we want to study
Next chapter.